Welcome to the online viewing for number 26 Featherstone Road. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property with a good sized garden to the rear and no onward chain. And then moving into the property where we have the hallway and stairs leading up to the first floor. And we have the first reception room here facing towards the front of the property. Nice large bay window. And we also have the second reception room, which has access through to the garden. And around to the kitchen, which then leads on to the lean-to areas and in turn to outside into the garden. And moving on to the first floor landing, and we have 3 bedrooms and the shower room on this floor. Starting with the first bedroom facing towards the front aspect. And around to bedroom 2. And from here we have a nice view across the garden. We also have bedroom 3, again facing towards the rear. And then the shower room as well. Okay, then moving outside into the rear garden where we have a patio area which leads through to the main lawned garden area. Back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, please do give the office a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.